Good evening, everyone, students. Welcome to Nmmss Coaching from Jatadhar Educational Technology. I invite Gayatri ma'am to start the session.
Good evening, students. Hope you all are doing well. All right, so this is in continuation with yesterday's class. All right, so be ready with your pen, your notebook, everything so that we can go ahead with the continuation of yesterday's class. All right. All right, so now today we are going to do 67th sum. All right, so you can just see the problem figure, right? And what could be the answer, right? So 4 options are given. So quickly think over it and how should it be? Let me just continue. Okay. So let us complete the circle. So starting now, circle is not coming properly. Okay. So let me just complete the circle. Yeah. So the circle has to be completed. Then what else? So we have this line, right? So first the circle has to be completed. All right. Then how should it be? Then we have this line, isn't it? Wait, lines are coming. Yes. So we have this line. All right. And then what is the third step that we need to do? So I hope you all are able to see what I'm doing and understand, isn't it? Right. And see here. All right. So see here, after this, we have, oh, the answer has already been displayed. Right. Now see here, we have this line, which should come this side. Okay. And then another line. Right. So option 4 only suits the answer figure. All right, students. So hope you all are understanding this. So in the examination, you have to try the best probability, right? So that you can quickly find out the answer. All right, now let's move on to the next question. Right, now see here, this is like this Rangoli pattern, isn't it? Very simple. So let me try to do this. Yeah. Now these both lines has to be joined, okay? So now see here where it is. And after this, 2 straight lines has to be joined here. So I think this suits, isn't it? Option 3 suits. Let's see the answer. Yes, it is option 3. All right. Now let me see students who have done it. Yes, I have with me Prerna, Ritvik, Lasya. Good. You all have given me the correct answers. Very nice. I have Realme, RMX. Then I have Prerna, Sri Nitya, Lasya, Prasagna, then Sahasra, Mokshita, Sai Rishvit, Rajachandana, Sai Rishvit, isn't it? Yeah, Spurti, Sri Nitya. All right, Shifa, many more. And let me look at our YouTube friends also. Yes, I do have here Harshi Khanna, Lokeshwari, Mushfira Taslim, Mahesh, Ravinder Gajula, Uma, then I have Bowen Ravi, Lokeshwari. All right, good students. So you all are trying and giving me the very correct answer, including Srivalli, Sairish with Rajachandana. All right, good students. Fine. Let us move on to the next question. Yes, fine. So this is also a pretty easy one, isn't it? Right. See here. Right. See here, how do you complete this? Right, so this curve must be like this and it must be like this, isn't it? Then I have one more like this. Fine, so you just have to see where I have such kind. So which one suits? So which one suits? Should be, mostly it should be 3 or 4. So the answer should be either 3 or 4. But see how close both are, isn't it? But there is only one distinction between 3 and 4, that is this. Am I right? So only this is only distinction. So yes, yes. All right, exactly. First one is a correct answer as it is already been mentioned, because this is wrong, this is correct, and this is wrong. But both have been told here correctly. Perfect. Yes. So option 1 must be the correct one. So if you had given option 1, then your answer is perfect and it is not 3 and 4 as we guessed, isn't it? All right, let's move on to the next question. Right, see the problem figure here. So we have the question figure. So what could be the answer for this, right? So see the pattern, it goes like this, like this, and then this, right? So again, it has to come down, isn't it? So when it comes down, what could be the correct answer in this? Is it option 1, option 2, option 3, or option 4? Right? So I have a good guess in this. Let me see how many of you are giving me the correct answer without disclosing the answer. Right? Without disclosing, let's see. Yes, I have correct answers given by Rishwit, then Sheikh Irfan, then Pratik Lokendra, Realme Spooty. Yes, I'm on with Pratik, Harshavardhan, Sai Manvit, Srivalli, Lasya, many more. Yes, so everyone says the option to be 2, which is correct. See, after this, where does it go? It goes here and then it comes down, isn't it? Perfect. And here, my YouTube friends, almost everybody has given me the correct answers. Mahesh, Ravindra, Gajula, Ravi, then I have Mushfira Taslim, then I have Mumalu, then Dinesh. Yeah, many more. Good students. Let's move on to the next question. Right. Now see the problem figure. The first one says 2 small squares. The second one says it is how many sided? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So octagon, right? So 8 sides. And see the next one, we have 2 triangles. So what should be the next figure? Right? So let's see how many of you have guessed it right. I do have the answer guessed. Let's see in the chat box how many of you are giving me the right answers. Again, many says option 2. Yes, again, many says option 2. All right, so Lokendra, Lasya, Navadeep, Sushant, Sheikh Irfan, Ritvik, many. Next, I have Srivalli, Nikhil. Okay, so I have option 2, which is given by our students, and my YouTube friend says, Mushfira Taslim says option 4. Praveen Dakuri, then I have Ravi Bumalla, then Lokeshwari, I have Mahesh. Many more says option 2. All right, let's see which is the correct one. It is option 2. Good students. Right, because the next one should be the continuation, isn't it? Yes, good. Right, now see, let's move on to the next question. Yes. See the problem figure. We have a flower kind where the first one arrows inside, the second one the arrows outside. Next, we have the swastik, rangoli symbol, whereby two sides are shaded or highlighted. What should be the fourth one? Yes. So you just have to think. I'm just giving you 1 full minute for you to think and give me the answer for this. Think over it and then give me the answer, students, because you need to really think for this question. Your 1 minute is running. Let's see. Our friends, yes, many says option 1. Sai, Akhilesh, Lasya, Vrindavani, Geeta, Janagam, Charan, Sharanya, all new friends today. Sai, Shashank, Spooty, Shrihit, I think it's the first time I'm reading your name, Shrihit, Harshavardhan, Prateek, then I have Sai, Shashank, Grace, Christina, Janardhan, Prerana, Zyumi, Rakshita, Navadeep, Jashwant. Oh my God, many have given me option 1. And of course, my YouTube friends also says it's option 1, like Mahesh, Ravi Kumar, next Ravi, Mushfira Taslim, Lokeshwari, Ravinder Gajula, Bikku. Many, almost everyone says option 1. Let's see, the answer is also option 1. Because when you twist it, that is, when you twist it or turn it clockwise, then the other two should be shaded. All right. Now, this also comes under analogy. Let's move on to the next question. See the problem figure and then guess the answer. 1 full minute can be taken, students. What should be option 4? What's the relation between option A, B, and then we have C and D? Yes. And let's see our friends what answer they are giving. Oh my God, they all say option 2. Navadeep, Charan, Ilaveni, Manvit, Sheikh Irfan, Navadeep again, Janakam, Charan, Raj Chandana. Okay, the names are really running. I'm not able to read. Harshavardhan, Sushant, Arun Kumar, Nahida Nas. I have Srivalli, Sahasra, many more. Prerana, many more are giving me option 2. Now let's see the answer for this. It is option 2. Good students, good guess. And let's move on to the next question. See the problem figure. See the problem figure and then give me the answer. Okay. All right. Let's see. So the two curves are in horizontal, then it is vertical. So first 2 is become 4. So how about the B? Okay. So 1 full minute can be taken by you all. but not more than that. Quickly finish it off and then give your answers in the chat box. Let's see how many of you are giving me yes. Many of you are giving me option 3, Ritvik, Navadeep, Lokendra, Arun Kumar, Sai Manvit, Prasadna, Realme, Prerana, Mallika, Nahida. I have Raj Chandana, Harshavardhan, Lasya, Akhilesh, Sheikh, Mani Teja, almost everyone. And my YouTube friends also says option 3. Lokeshwari, Bikku, Praveen. Next I have Ravindra Gajula, Malla, right? Yes. Now let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, it is option 3. In the B, you have only one. So the next one, it should be made to double, isn't it? So two more must get added, right? All right. Now let's see the next question. Yes, see the question figure here. We have a square, okay, and a small triangle to the right. So when we move anti-clockwise, it goes to the left hand side. Likewise, when we move the anti-clockwise, where does it go? So 1 full minute is given. Quickly analyze and give me the answer. You can think over it and give me the answer, students. Yes, your time is actually running quickly. Okay, let's see. All right. So now before I go to the answer, let's see. It is option 1 because see, this is clockwise, isn't it? But now things are moving to anti-clockwise from left, from right to left. So when this shaded figure moves anti-clockwise, then it should be on top, isn't it? So let me see. Yes, of course, all my friends have given me option 1. Everyone except one who really have to check your answer. Uh, yeah, I have almost all. Mallika, Spurti, Gayatri, Rakshita. And let's see my YouTube friends. How can I miss them? Yes, even they have given me option 1. So, Somesh, please check your answer. Otherwise, Lokeshwari, Ravi Kumar, Mumalla. Then I have Ravi. Then Mushfira Taslim. Yes, now Lokeshwari, your answer is right. Almost all have given me option 1, which is correct. Right, let's move on to the next question. Yes, see, very interesting question. A very decorative rangoli, isn't it? What should be option D? In option A, we have 1 circle and 4 triangles. Option B, whatever was inside, now that has become the outside. Whatever is outside has become inside. So similarly, you can think like that. And in C, you have a triangle, 4 circles outside. So now what happens? The circle should be outside, right? And the triangle must be inside. I have given you the clue. Based on this, you can definitely find out your answer. 1 full minute is given to you. Quickly think over it and give me the answer. So triangle must be outside, circle must be inside, isn't it? Yeah. Let's see, before I disclose the answer, how many of you have given me Mallika? Yes, Ritvik, Harshavardhan, Sai, Mokshita. Mokshita has typed 4 times, four times. Okay. So symbolically, you're giving me the answer. Okay. Sai Shashank. I have Gayatri. Okay. Next, I have Ritvik, Sai Manvik, Akhilesh, Manvit, sorry, Lasya. Then I have Mallika, Akhilesh, Shubham, Kaushik, Navadi Prasagna. I have Bindu, Shubham. Yes, almost all of you have given me option 4 as the correct answer. All right, let me see my YouTube friends. Yes, my YouTube friends also says option 4, like Lokeshwari, Mushfira Taslim. Then I have Padam Shravanti, Praveen. Almost all have given me option 4 as a correct answer. Yes, let's see. It is option 4. So all of you have thought very correctly and given me the answers perfectly. Okay, good. Now with this, we are moving on to the next question. Here goes question number 77. The problem figure says, okay, in A, the triangle is not complete, isn't it? But in B, the triangle is complete with 2 shaded. So B also, the square has to be completed. So in fact, it's a real easy question. Let me see how many of you are giving me the correct answer. Yes, Gajula has started giving me pouring the answers. Shravanti, you're right. I have Somesh. Right. Now let me see here how many of you are giving me the right answers. Yes, I have here Bindu, Brundavani, Lasya. Sorry if I have pronounced your names wrong. Sushant, Shubham, Mallika. I have Bindu Shri, Navadeep, Rishika, Gayatri. Yes, almost all are giving me the right answer, students. Very perfect. Kirtana, Mokshita, Vahminayana, Harshavardhan, Shubham, Prerana, Sheikh Irfan. Almost all are because in the fourth one, it should be, see, this should be completed and 2 lines has to be drawn, isn't it? Yes. Good students, let's move on to the next question. Yeah. So here we have in option A, B is there. In option B, it has been set ulta, that is upside down, isn't it? So C is here, what should be D? So the curve like a mountain should not be there, it should be down. So I have a guess to be option 2. How many of you agree with me or before releasing the answer? Right? See, I have like this W. So, yes. So what is the ulta of W? This one only, right? Right. It should be 2. Let's see the answer before I see. Yes, perfect. Now let's see how many of you have given me. My God. Before I could check the answers, everybody has given me the answer as 2. Shubham, Angel, Arun Kumar, Jashwant, Gayatri, Ritvik, Spooty, Sri, Nitya, Mallika, Sahasra, Lakshmi. I think it's the first time I'm reading your name. Sri Nitya. Also, I'm reading it first time. Prerana. I have with me Bindu, Sheikh Irfan, right? Navadeep. Spurti, Ashwit, Srivalli, Lasya. Yes, good. And my YouTube friends, Mushfira Tasneem, Ravi Kumar. Then I have Ravi Kumar, Chauda Varpu. Yes. And Praveen. Then Lokeshwari. Yes, almost all have given me the correct answer. That is 2. Correct. Good. Let's move on to the next question. See the problem figure and then match it with the answer figure. So in A, the circles are opposite. Okay. And it is being, what should I say? Has it been turned clockwise or anti-clockwise? It is clockwise. Yes, it is being turned clockwise. So, what should be option D? Yes, again I have many saying option 2. Uma Jaga, Padam Shravani, Mushfira Tasneem, Bikku, Praveen. Then I have Shravanti. Yes, they all say option 2. Let me see our friends. Oh my God, Vivo says 2. Mallika, Ritvik, Rasagna, Srinitya, Prerana. Then I have Gayatri, uh, Modala Akshara, Navadi, Srinitya. Almost all says option 2. Let's see the answer. It is option 2. Right. Good. See the next question. We have a triangle and a line above. Your second figure says the triangle has been turned upside down. Right? But the straight line is only up. So here in C, we have 1, 2, 3. How many side figures we have? The figure is same everywhere, isn't it? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-sided figure. Everywhere it is same. Right. But the thing is, it should be upside down. Right? And the line must be down. So I think by now you would have guessed it. Yes, I have Lokeshwari who says 1. Ravi Kumar says 1. Jagasa. Uma Jagasa says 1. All right, now let me see our friends. Yes, here already I got the answer. Kaushik Chari. Mallika, check your answer. Ramakrishna. Then I have Prerana. Shanmuga Priya, check your answer. Lasya, check your answer. Mokshita. I have Ramakrishna, Srinitya, Harsha. Yes, almost all have given me option 1, which is correct, isn't it? See, what is the difference between option 1 and 2? The straight line are up, but this figure has been turned upside down. Like that, this line has to be only down. This only you have to turn it upside down, which will be option 1. Yes? Right. Now let's move on to the next question. Good. Now we are into our mathematics. 32 into dash is 768. Right? So, how do you find out? Find out 768 divided by 32. Right? So, what is 768 divided by 32? Find out 768 divided by 32 would give me 24. So 32 into 24 should be 768. This is how you find out, isn't it? Without using the calculator. So our option must be 1. Right? So let's see. Yes, it is. And let me see how many of you have given me the right answer. Oh, yes, I have. Uma Jagasa Mushfira Tasneem, Padam Saraswati, Ravindra, then Ravi, then Mala. Right. So let me see here. Yes, here I have already got option 1. Sai Manvit, Rasagna, Shishant, Ritvik. Everybody says option 1. Everybody. Bindu, Harshavardhan, everybody says option 1, which is correct. Good students. So you all have started practicing well, I suppose. This could be because of the test that you all are doing. So that is giving you a good practice. All right, now let's move on to the next question. We have 19 into 93 plus 19 into 7 is what? So here we can use our property. You can take 19 out. So then you will have 93 plus 7, isn't it? So 19 into 93 plus 7 is what? 100. Am I right? So your answer must be 1900. See, I got it so easily by using this property. So your option 1 must be the correct one. Let's see. Let's see how many of them have given me option 1. Oh yeah, I have Hridaya Jyoti, Modala, Xiaomi. Don't send any pictures. The chat box is meant only for you to give the answers. If any pictures or any symbols comes, then you will be removed from this, right? So I have Sindhu, Shashant, Mallika, Rasagna. Next I have Kaushik, Gayatri, Harshavardhan, Sai Manvit, Kirti, Kaushik Chari, okay, Navadip. Yes, many more. Sri Nitya. And see here, Swasti Dokudu. Yes, good. You all are giving correct answers. Ravi Kumar, Bikku, Chinna. Then I have Mumal. Good students. Yes, many more. Right. Now the answer should be option 1. Now see the next question. We have 16 into 16 plus 128 plus 4 into 4. Yes. So 16 into 16. So this also we can use a property, isn't it? You can take 16 out. So you will have 16 plus 16 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 16 into 8. 6 8s are 48, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 16 into 8, isn't it? Plus 1. So 16 into 6 plus 16 into 8 plus 16 into 1. So now it is easy for you to add it, isn't it? So 68 plus 1, 9. So 16 plus 9, 25. So 16 into 25. Right? So what is 16 into 25? So it gives 400. So your option must be option 3. Right? Yes. Now let me see my YouTube friends. Yes. Ma'am, I did not understand. So, Mesh, what is there to understand? It is very clear. We are using the quick property to get the answer instead of multiplying 16 into 16 plus 128 plus again 4 into 4, 16. Okay, Somesh, see, I'm taking 16 out, common. So with that, I have 116 here. Next, 16 into 8 is going to give me 128, right? And I have already 16, so into 1. So just add up, you get 25. 16 into 25 is 400. So your option 3 is correct. Okay. So Ravinder Gajula has given me the right answer. Shravanti, I have Somesh, Ravi, Mushfira Taslim, and let's see here our friends. Navadip, Mallika, Gayatri, Kaushik, Chari. Then I have Shashivardhan Shripati. Next, Arun Kumar, I have with me. Same names are repeated. Sushant. Yes, almost all have given me the right answer, student. Kirti. Yes, almost all with Ritvik. Yes. Now let's move on to the next question. I think same answer, isn't it? Yeah. What is 30% of 700? So very swiftly you should do 30% means 30 by 100, right? So it is 210. So this requires only manual calculation. Let me see how many of you have given me option 3. Ritvik, Sheikh Irfan, I have Navadeep, Mani Teja, Kaushik Chari, Angel, Kirtana, Nahida, Arun Kumar. Yes, many more have given me the right answers, and my YouTube friends are giving me the answers. Swati says 210, correct. Mushfira Taslim, Shravani, Somesh, Jagasa. I have many more, many more. All of you are giving me option 3, which is correct answer. Good. Now let's move on to the next question. What is 20% of 120 plus 35% of 200? Right? So 20% of 120, 35% of 200. So this has to be worked out. 20% means 20 by 100 into 120 plus 35% is 35 by 100 into 200, isn't it? So 0, 0 gets cancelled, 0, 0 gets cancelled. So 12 twos are 24 plus. I have 2 zeros already getting cancelled. So 5 twos are 10, 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. So it is 94, right? All right. So it should be 94, option 4. I have a very swift answers from Shravani. Next, I have Chandra Reddy, Bikku, Lokeshwari. Check your answer. Mushfira Taslim, Jagasa. Yes. And how about here? Mokshita, Giri Rudra, Pavan, Shashank, Spurti, Navadeep, Sahana, Sai Rishwit, Kaushik Chari, Sahasra. Okay, and then I have Sushant. Many more have given me the correct answer. Good. 94, option 4 is correct. See the next question. Yeah, I have 32 plus 16 into 0.25 by 10 minus 4. Okay. So 32 plus, what is 16 into 0.25 by 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay. So just multiply 16 into 0.25 to get your answer, right? So you get 4. So 32 plus 4, 36 by 6, which is 6. Let's see how many of you are giving me the correct answer. Mahesh, you are right. You've given me the correct answer, right? Let's see. Yes. And here, Sushant, Spurti, I have option 2, that is 6. Okay. Yes. Navadeep, Lasya, Charan, Angel, Prerana, Mallika, Kaushik, many more have given me option 2 correct. See the next question. 24 plus 3x is equal to 140 plus x. So now 24 plus 3x is equal to 140 plus x. So now bring all the x one side. So when this plus x comes this side, it becomes minus. And when this plus 24 comes that side, it becomes minus 24. So 3 minus 1 is 2x is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 116, isn't it? So 116. Okay. So 6 2, 1. Right. So, right. So what is x? 116 by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So your answer must be option 3, that is 58. Okay. Right. And let me see how many of you have given option 3. Yes, I have Siri, Prerana, Kaushik, Shushant, Lokendra, Spooty, many of you, Arun Kumar, Navadeep, everybody has almost given me the correct answers. And let's see my YouTube friends. I have Somesh, I have Krishna, Shravanti, Mushfira Taslim, Chandra Reddy, Ravi Kumar. Yes, students, good. You all are doing so well that I don't have to, every time mention that your answers are right. Okay. So your answers are, nowadays, your answers are always right. All right. Now see the next question. What is 16 2 by 3% of 216? Right. So this requires calculation. Now this is in mixed fraction. Make it into proper fractions. 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. 48 plus 2 is 50 by 3%, right, of 216. So 50 by 3, what is percent? Percent means 100, isn't it? Okay, of 216. So 50 by 3 into 1 by 100 into 216. So 0, 0, 5 ones are 5 twos are, 2 ones are 2 ones are, 2 eights are. I have 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 six are. So your option 2 is the correct one. 36 is correct. Right? Yes, it is. I have Mahesh given me the correct answer. And Bhikkhu, check your answer. Lokeshwari, check your answer. See, please give me, you work out, check, and then give me the answer. It is not just by random or by choice. It should be worked out. So you should be confident and clear enough that 36 is only the correct one. All right, now let me see here. Yes, I have Realme giving me the correct answer. Kirti, Navadeep, Sheikh Irfan, Kaushik Prerna, Nikhil, Balla Arun Kumar, Mallika, Navadeep, I have Nikhil Neta, Kirti, Srinitya, RM is it? I don't know the name. Spooky. Yes, almost all are giving me the correct answer, students. No doubt about it. Now with this, let's move on to the next question. Yes, here goes. I have 996 square minus 995 square. Right? So what is the answer? 996 square minus 995 square. Good question. So you can use it as a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, right? So that will definitely give you your answer. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Let's see, mathematics can be done in many probable options. So you should choose that one which is very easy and not going to consume much of your time. So a plus b, next a minus b, 996 minus 995 is going to be 1, isn't it? So 6 plus 5, 11, 9 twos are 18 plus 1, 19, 9 twos are 18 plus 1, 19. See, in 2 steps, I got the answer. So it should be option 4. Is it clear? So quickly you should think, yes, this can be done by using the formula a square minus b square. Okay. All right. So now let's see how many of you have given me the correct answer. Yeah, I have with me Bikku, Ravindra, Shravanti, Chandra Reddy, Uma Jagasa, Ravi, Ashok Kota. Ashok, I think it's the first time I'm reading your name, isn't it? All right. So I have Shravanti. Right. Now let's see here what our friends are giving me. Oh my God, almost everyone has given me Harshini, Rajachandana, Ritvik, almost all. Navadeep, next Ashwin, Prerana, Hridaya Jyoti. All right, Lasya, good students. Yes. Now let's move on to the next question. What is 436 divided by 1000? Right? So 436 divided by 1000. See, 436 divided by 1000. So here you have three zeros. So decimal can be kept after 1, 2, 3. Right? So it should be 0.436, which is option 3. Is it clear? So let me see. Yes, it is. How many of you have given me the correct option? Yes, Navadeep, Lasya, Mokshita, Prerana, Sai. I don't know. By the time I could read it is running. Yes, I have Sheikh Irfan, Spooty, Harshini, Mallika, many more, many more. And see here, I have Ravindra, Gajula, Shravanti, Jagasa, uh, then I have Ravi Kumar. Many more have given me the correct answer. Good students, let's move on to the, yes. Just give me a second. Let me share. 1 second.
Yes, students. Students, you have from tomorrow morning classes at 5:30 a.m. సో రేపటి నుంచి మార్నింగ్ 5:30కి రివిజన్ క్లాసెస్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. సో కంపల్సరీ అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. దానికి సంబంధించిన లింక్ కూడా గ్రూప్లో షేర్ చేస్తాము. నైటే గ్రూప్లో షేర్ చేస్తాము. సో యూజింగ్ దట్ లింక్ యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ టు ద క్లాసెస్. రేపటి నుంచి డైలీ మార్నింగ్ 5:30కి ఎన్ఎంఎంఎస్ రివిజన్ క్లాసెస్ అనేవి జరుగుతాయి. సో ఇంకా ఎవరైనా గ్రూప్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే 7337285228 నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి మీ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ నేమ్. సో దట్ మేము మీ రెస్పెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్లో మిమ్మల్ని యాడ్ చేస్తాము. సో మార్నింగ్ క్లాసెస్ వితౌట్ ఫెయిల్ అటెండ్ అవ్వండి, బికాస్ దేర్ విల్ బి ఎ రివిజన్ ఆఫ్ క్లాసెస్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సో డోంట్ ఇగ్నోర్ ది మార్నింగ్ క్లాసెస్. సో మార్నింగ్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. టాపిక్ అనేది రేపు మార్నింగ్ చెప్తారు, క్లాస్లో మేడం చెప్తారు. యూ ఆల్వేస్ బీ రెడీ విత్ బుక్ అండ్ పెన్. So whatever they teach, be ready with book and pen. Those are the revision classes for NMMS. So please attend without fail. To get good marks, you should attend each and every class without fail. Okay? Yes. Yes, now ma'am will continue the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students. So here we have the continuation of mathematics, right? So 2 to the power 2021 plus 2 to the power 2019 divided by 2 to the power 2020 minus 2 to the power 2018. All right. So I'm sure you can try this. Just I'm giving you time. Try it and then give me the answer. Let's see how many of you are able to give me the answer. So you can think over it and then give me the answer, students. It's somewhere very near. See, this is 18, this is 19, this is 20, and this is 21. Oh, yes. So the option 2, right? So all right. So option 2 could be the best answer. So you can take 2 power 2018 outside. Okay. So and you can multiply 19, 20, 21. That is 2 cube plus 2 divided by again 2018 outside. Then 2 square minus 2 power 1. Okay. So with this, you will get 10 by 3. All right, good. Now let's move on to the next question. Very interesting question, actually. The cost of 2 by 3 meters of rope is rupees 12 to 3 by 4. Then the cost of rope of 1 meter is how much? Okay. So the cost of 2 by 3 meters. So right. So this is meter. You can do it by yourself, students. And I'm also working out parallelly. 2 by 3 meter, the cost is 12 3 by 4. Right? And what is 4? 1. So it is 12 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. Right? So make this mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 12 fours are 48, 49, 50. 51 by 4 divided by 7 threes are 21, 22, 23 by 3. Okay. So 51 by 4 into 3 by 23. So 3 will not do. 51 is also a prime number. So 3 5 threes are 15 by 3 fours are 12, 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9, 92. So 92 plus 61. Yes, so we are getting this as the correct answer, isn't it? So when such questions are given, so there is only 192 here. So immediately, if you don't have time, you don't have to check quickly, you can choose your answers. Okay. Now let me see how many of you have given me option 3 as a correct answers. Yes, Kaushik Chari, Nahida Nas. Then I have Navadi, Varun Kumar, Prerana. Almost all have given me the correct answers. And let's see my YouTube friends. How many of them has given me the correct answer? Yeah. So here I have, yes, I have Uma Jagasa, Ravi Kumar, Lokeshwari. Almost all have given me the correct answers. Good students. See the next question. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. If its perimeter is 104 centimeter, then the length of the longest side in centimeter is dash. Right? So what is the length of the longest side in centimeter? So the sides of a triangle, they have given you as the ratio, isn't it? That is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Right? So the perimeter is given. So what is the perimeter? A plus B plus C. In a triangle, the perimeter is, you have to add, what is perimeter? Obviously, all sides. right? So if the perimeter is 104, then the length of the longest side is dash. Right? So just add the all sides, right? So then this is a side ratio only. So then you will get the answer. Okay. Now let's see how many you are giving me the correct answer. Yes, I have with me Mushfira Taslim, Vanaparti, Jagasa, Shravanti, Chandra Reddy. Okay. And all of them says they are giving me a mixed answer. And how about our students? They all are saying it is option one. Oh yes, how unanimously you all are giving me the answer. Kaushik Chari, Ritvik, Shubham, Gayatri, Navadeep, next Nahida. Yes, almost all have given me option one only as the correct answer. Good, right. Now see the next question. The capacity of a tank of dimensions 8 into 6 into 2.5 meter is dash. Right? So 8 into 6 into 2.5 meter. All right. So quickly think over it and then give me the answers. 8 into 6 into 2.5. Pravashti. Yes, Pravashti. Lakshmi Prasanna. Yes, good. So quickly work it out and give me the answer for this. The dimension is given. You just have to multiply and then you should find out the capacity is what. Right? So, yes, Nikhil. Good, Nikhil. All right, now by then, let me see how many of you are giving it. Mokshita, Shubham. Yes, I have here Navadeep, Irfan. When he says 2 or 4, okay, Sahara, Gayatri, Lasya, Kaushik Chari, Belli Sahasra, Nahida, Ritvik. Almost all are giving me option 4. Many have given me option 4 and some option 3. All right. So let's move on to the 130th sum. In the given figure, PTQ. So PTQ, angle PTQ is 30 degree. Okay, so this is the angle PTQ. Okay, right. So that is 30 degree. Next, I have TPQ. Okay, that is this. TPQ is 34. Next, I have SRQ as 45. Now you need to give me the value of X. What is the value of X? Okay. Yes. I'm just giving you 1 full minute. Quickly think over it and then give me the answers. Okay. Yes. So with this, we'll close for today. And before that, let's see the answer. It is 109. Right? So we just have to add all the angles. That's it. Okay. So, or 180 minus adding up this will also give you 109. So with this, option 3 is the correct answers. And let me see how many of you have given me the right answer. Yes, almost all. Ritvik, Navadeep, Gayatri, Shubham, Kaushik, Mani Dweep, Kaushik Chari, Arun Kumar, Srushti, Nahida Nas. Yes, yes, good students. Almost all have given the correct answers. All right. So with this, we'll close for today. And the announcements that was already made, let me do it quickly. So from tomorrow, we'll have morning revision classes for NMMS. So links will be posted in district NMMS group. To join your district group, you have to just send NMMS to your district name to 733-728-5228. Okay, just note down the number 733-728-5228. This is the WhatsApp number that you have to give, and 5:30 a.m. is the time that we will have the class from tomorrow. All right. So please do join us and do a good revision so that you can excel in your exams. All right. Thanks for joining. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. And all the very best for your classes.
బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో మర్చిపోకండి, రేపటి నుంచి 5:30కి మార్నింగ్ క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి, రివిజన్ క్లాసెస్. సో జాయిన్ వితౌట్ ఫెయిల్.